Today, in the period of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are significant for the development of economies. At last, everything reduces to a carefully designed and exceptionally secure system that could be useful to store and re-establish all information on the blockchain-empowered state, where exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, and all dispensing with the job of delegates, a consequence of hard and impeccable work. A seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell scientist Emin Gunsayer in September 2020, fundamentally putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations basically to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of vigorous blockchain innovation, the torrential slide network will go about as a critical power supporter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment, as an impetus to empower fast-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment. Torrential slide will carry extremist change to back. The torrential slide environment is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and apparatuses with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower expenses. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain engineers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing shrewd agreements and other trend-setting innovation. A vital distinction between torrential slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration system. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework advances. Torrential slide. The inborn expected without a doubt. The torrential slide blockchain has incredible potential and will generally be the most alluring digital money, predominantly for its local token, Avax, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling 1 trillion every second. No big surprise, the always dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the torrential slide digital currency, arising as a very unique and energetic power. Avax will be the pick and selection of merchants, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured for an extremely long period. Likewise, financial backers have found a component of unwavering quality implanted in this token. The badge of Avax capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. The principal point of the torrential slide local area isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The torrential slide local area is humming about its achievements and monstrous commitment, particularly after torrential slide opened Denali testnet. It approved the force of torrential slide agreement and light engineering that offers more impartial cooperation rather than costly equipment, being recorded on prominent computerized money trades like Coinbase and Binance. Avax offers its dealers a protected and trustworthy stage, empowering lesser expenses and a plenty of computerized resources for single out from. Torrential slide stage has additionally marked a settlement with various environments like Chainlink, Bilira, and so on, taking its forceful innovative drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to construct a helpful local area around the world, subsequently making an equivalent, feasible, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, Avax has made further improvements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade OKCoin recorded Avax. Brokers and financial backers are good to go for the recipe erase end of the week. Aside from this, the torrential slide establishment has additionally sent off Multiverse. This new impetus program will uphold new environments, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has likewise held hands with Avax to assemble items for NFT dealers and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. Finally, one of the greatest joining is that of Chainlink attendance and Chainlink YRF coordinating with the essential torrential slide organization. This incorporation will be beneficial for the token as it will decrease the responsibility and improve the uptime and security of the savvy contracts. The digital currency value expectation is dependent upon the presentation of the individual symbolics foundation, its progressions, and the whole crypto market status. One can never know the specific future presentation of any token. That being said, specialized examination, Avax expectation, and different perceptions take care of business as a guide all the while. The ongoing cost of Avax is $16.98, with a market capitalization of $5,533,107,200. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the Avax token is $136,543,245, with a coursing supply of 325,947,737 Avax on the lookout. Avax cryptographic money is hugely dependent on decentralized applications remaining in in front of other state-of-the-art advances in the current decentralized blockchain networks. The torrential slide conjecture is simply reliant upon digital currency market development. A blast time for torrential slide drives the value conjecture to remain legitimate on this record before long. Made by Avalanche, this coin has endured for an extremely long period, so it is critical to realize that torrential slide's cost rise is sure before very long. In any case, carry out your own analysis to check your gamble resistance. Torrential slide value forecast 2023. In view of our torrential slide cost expectation for the approaching year, the Avax coin might have least and greatest costs of $15.01 and $36.46. Separately, the adjustment of the cost is supposed to be over 140%, with a typical cost of $25.74. Avax value expectation 2024 as per torrential slide cost forecast. It is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $30.76 to $44.28, where $30.76 is the base exchanging cost and $44.28 is the most extreme cost. Simultaneously, there are a couple of suppositions that the Avax coin might have a typical cost of $37.52. Avax value forecast 2025. The torrential slide coin is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of around $41.50 and $59.74 individually, according to our Avax cost expectation 2025. While the typical cost may be $50.62, with a rate change of around 40%, torrential slide coin value expectation 2026 according to our Avax cost expectation. The coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $63.71, with a base and greatest cost of $52.23 and $75.19 individually for the year 2026. The unpredictability of the torrential slide cost is supposed to be very less, according to our cost expectation. Torrential slide crypto value expectation 2027 in view of the Avax cost expectation. Our specialists propose that the torrential slide digital currency might exchange a scope of $64.34 and $92.62 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the most extreme. While the typical exchanging cost of torrential slide might be $78.48. Avax expectation 2028. Our Avax cost estimate for the year 2028 proposes that the coin's typical cost might be $94.79, while the base and greatest costs might be around $77.71 and $111.87 individually. Simultaneously, the torrential slide specialized investigation uncovers that the rate change might be half. Avax coin value expectation 2029 from our Avax cost forecast. We can reason that the coin's cost might exchange at a normal of $116.44 for the year 2029, while the least and greatest cost of the Avax token for the year might be $95.46 and $137.42 individually. Avax value expectation 2030 by 2030. Our torrential slide cost figure shows that the possible high of the coin might be $170.69, with a likely low of $118.57 in the crypto market.